Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz. Today's video is gonna be all about the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is Jaclyn Hill's second big vault palette with Morphe, and I was so excited to try it out. I went yesterday, which was the launch of the palette, to the Morphe store. I picked it up and I'm here to share this look with you guys today. I'm so excited, yes. I'm so excited, y'all. Like these colors in the palette just make me so happy. Like, these are my favorite colors of life. Like, I love these colors. I also picked up the cutest nude lip set from Morphe while I was there, and I'm really loving it. So if you want to see this entire look, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Click subscribe. I would love to have you join the family, and I'll see you guys in the video. I don't know what all these hand movements are about, but you know, just ignore that. I just had a big cup of coffee, like this big of a cup. So okay, just keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm back with the new Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Ooh, my neck just hurt. I loved the first palette, so I'm really excited to try this one out. And girl, these colors, do you see this? Are popping, okay? Like, sis. So we're gonna do a little tutorial with this palette. Since today's Valentine's Day, I wanted to use some of the pink shades because I feel like the pink shades would be perfect for this look. So I'm gonna start out with Lolly Mama, and I'm gonna just add this into my crease like this. So we're gonna do that. Let me see if I could zoom you in a little bit. Oh no. All right, so we're gonna just put this into my crease and blend it out like this. This is gonna be like my transition shade. Just based off the looks of these shades, let me know which palette you like better, just going off of the looks. This palette, like, this is right up my alley. This is my whole alley. Like, this is it. If I had to pick colors that went into a palette, it would literally be these colors. You guys know I love pink. I love my neutrals. It has a combination of pinks and neutrals. Like, what more can a girl ask for? I'm gonna just take a little sip of this coffee. My mug is from Home Goods in case you are wondering. Next, I'm gonna use Dance Party. This is one of my favorite shades to look at in the palette. It just looks really beautiful and I just like looking at it. It's kind of like magenta, I guess. That's what I would call this color. I'm just gonna put it over the first color and blend them together. I literally woke up like an hour ago. I feel like my eyes are probably still a little watery. Yesterday we went to the Morphe store to get this palette, and every single one of the employees had the palette on. Like, they were wearing the colors. They all had different eye looks, but it's looked beautiful in every single one of them, and so pigmented and just like, you know, fire, you know? I'm all about simplicity when it comes to eye makeup these days. Like, 3 shadows and that's it. And I did 2 shadows already, so the third one is gonna be my base color. So I'm gonna pick out something that's a little like shimmery. I feel like Empowered would be like total Valentine's Day vibes. I'm gonna put on Empowered because it is Valentine's Day and it's not many days where you get to wear like a beautiful reddish toned color. I think I'm gonna spray this color because I want to get a little bit more pigment out of it. Alright, so I just sprayed my brush and I'm gonna apply another layer of this shadow because I want it to be a little bit more poppin'. Ooh, okay, so this is definitely it. Please keep in mind that these are Morphe eyeshadows, so you're gonna get Morphe eyeshadow quality, which I think it's okay quality. It's not like the best quality ever. I'm not throwing shade at anybody or anything. It's just, this is just what it is. If you want more quality in your products, typically you have to spend more money. I'm gonna use some of this Essence mascara on my top lashes, and my lash extensions are completely done. I want to get a refill, but at the same time, my lash tech shop is like 40 minutes away from where I live, so it's like a journey and I really do not like making that journey. Also, I don't mind not spending the money on them, so I don't know, like, I really want to get them and I really wanted them for my birthday, which is on Monday, but it's looking like it's not gonna happen. I did pick up some lashes from the beauty supply store. Let me go look for them. So I have no idea where I put those lashes, but I found these. These are from AliExpress, I think. I don't even know what number. Oh, this is E03. Oh gosh, I don't know if I'm ready for this. I'm gonna turn this off. So I threw on my lashes. It's been about 10 hours later. That's how long it just took me, y'all, because it's been so long. All right, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna prime my face first with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I'm gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to just prime my face. A couple months ago, I had the worst breakout ever and it would not go away. It took so long to go away, but it's finally getting better, and I started doing the absolute most to help it get better, and I'm finally starting to see it get better, and I'm so happy because my goodness, if you guys only knew the struggle. I'm sure some of you guys know though. All right, this looks really orange on here. Let me bring down the saturation. This is the Superstay foundation that I used. I'm also gonna use the Superstay concealer. So this is the concealer right here. I honestly don't use this concealer too much, so I don't really know. I don't remember how I felt about it when I first tried it. So I just had to empty my memory card, and we're gonna move into powder. So I'm gonna just take my Dermablend powder and apply that under my eye. I'm gonna just sharpen down here a little bit, you know, get nice and snatched. I'm gonna let that marinate a little bit, and while that's cooking, we're gonna use some bronzer. This is from CoverGirl, and I'm just gonna put this here on my forehead. Alright, we're gonna just put some right here. I'm gonna use a little bit of this blush from NYX. It's called the Sweet Cheeks blush, and the shade is Red Riot, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna use a little brush from Bare Minerals. Just pop that here. Where we going, okay? Then we're gonna use Milani's highlighter, and this is the Milani Glowing Strobe Light in number 4. But this look is pretty extra, so I feel like it's okay. We're gonna add a little bit down here. I always do a little bit of highlighter on my nose because I feel like it just adds a little bit of a pop to it, and then above my lip. I'm so excited for the lip part, you guys, because oh my gosh, I got some bomb products. All right, for my eye makeup, I'm gonna go back into my eye makeup real quick. I'm gonna take Drama Queen and pop that in the inner corner. This color is actually really beautiful. And then for the lower lash line, I typically like to add some type of smoke down there just to make everything blend in together. But this look is so bright that I don't really want to put a pink under there today. I just feel like it would be a little bit much for me. So I'm going to use the shade Next because it is deeper, so it's not going to be like a bright color. But it is in the same family, and so I think it will tie in together really well. I feel like it's showing up brighter than it really is. I hate when the brush hits my eyeball. Oh my god, it's the worst. I'm gonna use this Essence mascara. You can use eyeliner to make it even more dark and like smoky, but I'm gonna skip that and go right into mascara. I actually really love this mascara, and I feel like the older it gets, the better it is. We're gonna dust off this powder. What I'm doing with this little brush. I don't know why I'm using this brush, this little brush. So I picked this up at the Morphe store, and I'm so excited to try it out. I don't know how long it's been out. So Morphe had these boxes of pre-made lip combos. This is called Caramel Nude, and I definitely recommend you guys go to Morphe and pick this up or order it online because it looks really good. It's 3 products. It's a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. The last time I went to Morphe, which was a while ago, they didn't have a dark brown lip liner, so I was really excited. This is called Trendsetter, and this is what it looks like. I haven't been to the Morphe store in a while. When I say the last time, I mean probably like last year. Definitely last year, but probably like in the summer last year. Yes, this is perfect. This is the perfect dark brown shade because it's not like red tone. It's like a neutral brown, which is what I love. So the lipstick that comes with the kit is called Boo. So this is what Boo looks like. That looks beautiful. And then it comes with a lip gloss. It is called Chill. And this is the gloss. So this kind of looks like NYX's Fortune Cookie. This is such a beautiful nude combo. Like, all right, so I'm gonna spray my face with this Olay mist so everything can melt together. I was so tempted to get a setting spray, but I was like, you know what, I have so many at home, I don't need to get one. But I really wanted to buy one. I'm gonna go fix my hair. Looks crazy. So this is the entire look with the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I think this palette is beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's definitely my favorite out of the two because I love these shades. These are my personal favorite colors to work with, to look at. I love these colors. They make me happy. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Let me know if you're going to be picking up this palette in the comment section down below. And also, if you want to see a different look, a different vibe, let me know in the comment section as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!